back to my cocktail blog. Today I have a very cool cocktail for you. It's called Golden Dream. For the Golden Dream cocktail we need a shaker and fill the shaker with some ice, and then we need 30 milliliters of cream and 30 milliliters of Galliano, and we need the vanilla Galliano, 30 milliliters of Cointreau orange liqueur, and 30 milliliters of the orange juice. And now we shake it. And then I take a chill glass and strain the Golden Dream into the chill glass. Here we are, the Golden Dream cocktail. Very refreshing and very delicious. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye!